Starting around 27 July 2023, Dogelon Mars really is exchanging at $0.00000016 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense certainly is very huge in a genuinely significant manner. Elon basically has an especially complete market cap of $86,431,706, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $110,908,612, or so they truly thought. This especially makes Dogelon Mars, Elon, genuinely positioning at 260 in the digital currency market, in an especially in every way that really matters, huge way. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars generally be actually fundamentally worth in 2023? Or so they especially thought. Which really is very huge. Is Dogelon Mars a truly wise speculation or extremely kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Will Elon cost most certainly outperform its unequaled in every way that really matters? High in an extremely huge way. These are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for Elon's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Elon cost explicitly in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly fundamentally cross a by and large especially normal value level of $0.00000019. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogelon Mars, toward the finish of the actually most certainly current year, ought to be $0.00000018. Actually certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Elon can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.00000021, showing how might Elon cost generally outperform its untouched high in an unpretentious manner. Elon value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars basically is gauged to really be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.00000015 in a kind of large manner. The Dogelon Mars value worth can generally arrive at an especially limit of $0.00000017, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.00000016 in United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely huge in a very significant manner. Elon value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars explicitly is gauged to basically be at around a kind of least worth of $0.00000016. The Dogelon Mars value worth can by and large explicitly arrive at a limit of $0.00000017, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars, which especially certainly is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Dogelon Mars value sort of is conjecture to for the most part arrive at in a real sense, the least cost of $0.00000017, which all things considered, is very critical. The Elon cost could in a real sense explicitly arrive at an all things considered kind of greatest cost of $0.00000018, with the really normal expected cost around $0.00000017, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars, Elon, value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Dogelon Mars cost in every practical sense is figured to generally in a real sense arrive at a genuinely much the most minimal cost of $0.00000017 in a by and large enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. The Elon cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of truly greatest cost of $0.00000019, with the by and large kind of typical expected cost around $0.00000018 in a very significant manner. Elon value conjecture November 2023. The Dogelon Mars figure for November 2023 expects that the elon may by and large arrive at a for the most part truly greatest worth of $0.00000020 with a truly least cost of around $0.00000018 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Discussing the typical value, elon can basically stretch around $0.00000018 for November, showing how these generally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for elon's future in an unobtrusive manner. Elon value estimate December 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for December 2023 expects that the elon may generally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.00000021 with an exceptionally sort of least cost of around $0.00000018. So elon value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars, fundamentally in every practical sense, is determined to be at around a truly least worth of $0.00000015, or so they in a real sense thought, which is very huge. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value elon can stretch around $0.00000019 for December, showing the way that the Dogelon Mars value worth can basically arrive at a quite limit of $0.00000017, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.00000017 in United States dollars in a huge way, or so they explicitly thought. Dogelon Mars actually essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars' cost entirely has shown a by and large great increment of 1.21% in the kind of fundamentally most recent 24 hours, so elon value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars certainly especially is estimated to generally especially be at around a kind of least worth of $0.00000015 in a fundamentally truly significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the elon sort of was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.2%, showing how elon in every way that really matters has an all-out market cap of $86,431,706, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $110,908,612 in an unobtrusive manner in an exceptionally enormous way. Dogelon Mars essentially has shown areas of strength for especially of truly potential of late. And this could be genuinely great chance to generally fundamentally dive right in and in every way that really matters, fundamentally put resources into a sort of especially large way. Dogelon Mars value conjecture 2023 facts. What will really be Dogelon Mars truly worth in 2023? In a kind of extremely significant manner, the elon cost sort of in a real sense is estimated to in every way that really matters arrive at an all things considered sort of greatest degree of 0.00